Okay, today we're going to add some automation magic between BABELFORCE and Freshdesk. So the particular automation I want to look at is how to get the ticket ID for an existing ticket and then to add a recording to the ticket as a note. Okay, so what we're going to do is use a few different BABELFORCE elements. We're going to get the ticket ID and put it into an expression. We're going to use an action on the Freshdesk ticket to add the note and an event trigger to make that happen. Okay, I'm inside Freshdesk logged in as an agent and I'm viewing ticket number 346 here. Now, as you can see, this is a call where information has been added to the ticket. Caller dialed this particular support number. Okay, so what I want to focus on here is a particular automation. How do I get this call recording here to appear as a private note added to the ticket for the call? So here I have inside my BABELFORCE account in integrated processes events, I have a bunch of event trigger action triples that are associated with the Freshdesk integration. So this particular one here is the one that I've called add recording URL to ticket as a note. And how does that work? So what I've done is I've said every time that a voice recording is finished, I'm going to choose the particular Freshdesk action, add a note to the ticket. And then here I can have more than one Freshdesk integrated, so you have to select the Freshdesk you want. So I've selected that one. And here's the key thing. I need to refer to the particular ticket for the call. Now the ID for the ticket for the call is automatically available within the session as long as you do a create ticket earlier on that call. So that's how that gets populated, and that's how we know which ticket to update. And here I'm just adding the exact content that we saw inside the ticket, and this is how I make it private by checking this box here. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to get the recording in there. Obviously, you can rejig these any way you like, plus any other action actually that you want to do across the Freshdesk API, and associate that with any communication event in your BABELFORCE account.